Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Flodesk email, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a video into one of your Flodesk emails? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a video into a Flodesk email anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business pitching to your subscribers, sometimes you want to add in a testimonial from one of your customers to help increase conversions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Flodesk dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Flodesk, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a video into one of your emails, here on the top, you're going to click on emails. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and choose the email you want to add a video into. So for example, this one right here. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be in the email design editor. And what you're going to do is kind of scroll down to the section that you want the video to show up in. So for example, let's see right here, enjoy half off any item. And then maybe I want to have a testimonial right here. So what you're going to do is just hover over it, and then you're going to see this plus icon. Click on the plus icon. All right, once you do that, this menu is going to pop up, and you want to click on this button here, video. Okay, now you can see that we have a video thumbnail right here. Now, in order to add a video into your Flodesk email, you're going to need a link. So like a Vimeo link or a YouTube link, and you're going to paste it in right here. So let me go ahead and just grab a YouTube link. Okay, guys, I went ahead and pulled up a YouTube video. So it doesn't necessarily need to be your video. It could be anybody's video or anybody's Vimeo link or YouTube link, just as long as they have the public share feature right here. If you're going to share somebody else's video, just be kind of cautious, because if they end up deleting that video, you're going to end up with a broken link. So I'm going to grab this link and copy it, and then we're going to go back here to our Flodesk, and then off to the right here, we're going to go ahead and just paste in the link. Once you paste in the link, it's going to show the thumbnail. Now you can go ahead and make a few corrections. So if you want to zoom in, you can go ahead and use this, and it's going to zoom into the thumbnail, and then you can kind of move it around as you see fit. If you want to add an overlay effect, you can do that right here. You can change the color. So let's say maybe we want this to be money green. We'll click there, and then we can go ahead and change the and you can see it starts to turn kind of like a greenish haze. All right, so there you have it. We have a video inside of our Flodesk email. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a video into your Flodesk email, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.